Hello everyone, this is Nace Taylor with South Four Farms. Today is March 18th, 2024. And you might be wondering if I'm still boiling sap. No, our season's over, the buds have popped out. But what I'm doing, I'm cleaning the evaporator. During the season, the sap and the defoamer that we use will form a gummy film around the top edge that you can't hardly clean off. So what I do, I bring some water up to a boil and I pour in some baking soda. 3 to 4 pounds of baking soda, and it foams up and makes a caustic soda. It will clean that gummy stuff off, and this is just a brush for a car wash. I got it at the auto parts house, and I let this simmer down so that it's not too hot to deal with, and give it a little scrub. And of course it acts like it's gonna melt the things, but it doesn't. It just mashes them down. But you scrub that out and it leaves it sparkling clean. It gets all that gummy stuff off. And that high alkaline caustic soda, what I do, I neutralize it with millstone remover. And that's what they use in the milking industry to clean the glass tubes that the milk goes through. If you ever get a chance to visit a dairy, we have a couple of them here in Kentucky. We got JD Country Milk down in Russellville. We've got Kenny's Cheese up near Barren River Lake, and I know there's other ones. One of them was featured on KET's The Farmer and the Foodie, and they're out somewhere in eastern Kentucky, and I can't even remember the name of the farm. But anyhow, I neutralize the alkaline with the citrus acid that's in the millstone remover, and that gets it back to normal pH 4 on the pH meter. And then I can take and dump that out, and I'll fill it back up with water and do some more millstone remover. And that acid will remove the sugar sand that precipitates out of the sap over the season and gets on the bottom of the pans, and it's like a sandy coating, and I remove that through the season too. But the last boil always has some, and that acid will remove that coating. You bring that back up to a simmer, and that'll take that stuff right off. And I tell you what, you couldn't sand it off with a buffer pad. It stuff is on there, but that acid will eat it off. And hopefully we'll catch up to you at one of our craft fairs. Our schedule will be on our website, south4farmsllc.com. So be looking for us if you're in Middle Tennessee or Kentucky. Hopefully we'll be able to see you. And if not, found out that the Farmer and the Foodie is airing on other PBS stations in various states, because we started getting orders from Louisiana and New Jersey. And I got to looking, and we got some feedback on the website that they just saw the show. And the girls had told me that it airs in about 20 states, and I was just thinking it's the states surrounding Kentucky. But no, other PBS stations pick it up. And Kentucky is the largest statewide, what do they call it? They refer to it, it's the largest network of all the states in the union. And I didn't realize that. And then I'm picking all this up. So I'm going to try to find out what states it's going to air in, because we ship products to about 30 states. I've shipped things to England before, so I don't think it goes worldwide, but it does go nationwide. So hopefully you'll be able to see the Farmer and the Foodie on a PBS station in your state. And I'm going to try to find out what states it's going to air in, and I will get back to you if I can. But anyhow, you all have a blessed day, and this is part of what you do after the season ends. You got to maintain the equipment, take good care of it, so it'll take care of you, and I can provide you with some of the best products that you ever put in your mouth. Y'all take care. Bye.